depends where you are. If you're headed to Palm Springs, it is going to be very hot. If you're headed to the beaches, it's going to be beautiful. And we're even talking about kind of a warm day even on Sunday. So yes, it will be nice if you like the warm weather, but it's going to cool off slightly before we hit 4th of July. But this weekend, we do talk about quite a bit of heat for some spots. So I'll get to that in a moment. But the desert's one of those areas that will really be feeling the heat as we take you out into Palmdale, where it is about 66 degrees right now and a little warmer over into Lancaster. A little more cloud cover this morning, too. Yesterday, we had just a couple beaches that saw some of it, some patchy clouds over Long Beach, but a little bit down into Orange County. And this morning, we can see quite a bit more on our cameras as we overlook Irvine right now. So we can expect some partly cloudy skies this morning. We're all going to get to the sunshine as we get into today, though. It's about 66 degrees there over into Irvine. So then we get into this weekend. Temperatures will start to warm up a little more tomorrow. Today should still be pretty nice and maybe even a little cooler than yesterday. And then as we head into Sunday, that's when we're going to start to see these temperature spikes. And excessive heat watch is in place for the low desert. You're headed to Palm Springs. Make sure you, of course, have plenty of water with you and you stay hydrated, and just know that there's going to be a high risk of heat-related illness if you're spending too much time outdoors. Try not to do anything strenuous outdoors. That's going to take us into Monday night, but we might even see that get extended. Temperatures cooler than yesterday as well this morning. 63 in Ontario, 64 Riverside, 63 in Santa Clarita, and then even a couple degrees cooler in Malibu, where we're back to some upper 50s. So we're not seeing too many changes yet today because we're still stuck between this low to the north of us, and then we have high pressure to the south of us. And then as we head into your Saturday, high pressure is going to continue on in and build, and that's going to take us into Sunday too, and that's why we're going to continue to see some pretty hot temperatures and continue that heat as we head into your Sunday. Los Angeles and Orange County, nice today, 81 degrees, some morning clouds. Probably still some morning clouds tomorrow, but we're going to start to see those temperatures rise, and then some upper 80s as we get into your Sunday. So by Sunday, we are all going to be seeing some warmer weather, and especially if you are inland. Now for the valleys and Inland Empire, one more day of mostly some 80s today, so enjoy that, take advantage of it. By tomorrow, we're going to start to see some more low 90s, so some slight warming, and then Sunday it's going to start to get hot. Mid to upper 90s. I think some places are going to push 100 degrees a couple days as we head into the beginning of next week. Models are showing we might see some slight cooling as we get closer to July 4th. However, it's going to remain warm. We still have some 90s in the forecast, but it's going to be July. The beach is 73 today, 75 tomorrow. Really nice at the beach this weekend. Sunday, probably less clouds at the coast in the morning, 78 degrees. Sunday is going to be a warm one for the beaches. And then we get just a little cooler heading into July 4th next week with highs looking in the mid-70s. I'll have your mountains and desert forecast coming up in just a little bit. For now, Tony Cabrera with a look at your